boop, stoop, doo doo, stoo doo 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 doo, boop, boo doo, boo doo 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 doo, boo doo 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 doo, boo doo 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 doo. Hi everybody, Ricky here. Today I'm going to try some more pizza on the pizza journey. Yeah! Today I got some DiGiorno chicken bacon ranch pizza with some Hidden Valley super good dressing. So that's like the gold standard of ranch dressing actually. And then you take some fresh ranch dressing packets and mix that with about anything. So I guess they got the idea at DiGiorno to mix it with some pizza. I saw some other pizzas that had some bacon ranch chicken pizza, but when I saw this one had Hidden Valley, I was like, well, I better try this DiGiorno. And another thing that's awesome on top of it is its stuffed crust. I know not everybody likes stuffed crust, but I think stuffed crust is pretty good, which was originally invented by Pizza Hut, but pretty much you can find stuffed crust pizzas everywhere these days. So yeah, let's see what the front of the box reads and has to say. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno, yeah! Mouth-watering melty cheese, made with real cheese, Hidden Valley, the ranch. Chicken bacon ranch, grilled white meat chicken, applewood, smoked bacon over Hidden Valley ranch sauce. That's what I'm talking about. A bacon and cheese stuffed crust topped with Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Bacon and cheese stuffed crust. And pretty much that's all it says on the front. Already sounds real good to me. Here's the back of the box with all the graphics and everything. So yeah, let's see what it has to say. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno, Mamma Mia. Yup, chicken bacon ranch, the perfect mashup of Hidden Valley ranch sauce and seasoning, with a cheese and applewood smoked bacon stuffed crust. So good, you're gonna want to eat a bunch of it, I imagine. Well, that's what I'm here to find out, and we're here to find out, right? So, yeah. Let's see what this looks like and get it on a cookie sheet here and get it ready to cook, and let's find out. Does it live up to being super good? It is now out of the box in the plastic wrap, and it's looking real good. Look at that. Got the bacon. Got the Hidden Valley ranch there. Get some close-ups of it before it's been cooked. Also, the bottom of it has some Hidden Valley ranch on it too, so that's awesome too. Let's get it in the oven and see what it looks like when it's ready. Yeah! It is now ready and looking really good. Look at all that goodness. Let's go in for a closer look. Look at that. All that ready bacon. let's get it sliced up and see what it looks like. It is now sliced up and looking really good. Can't wait to get trying this. Looks like it's gonna be super good. Plus the way the box described it as having ranch dressing and the ranch packet on there, so definitely gonna be interesting. Yup. It is now ready and looking really good. Look at all that goodness with that Hidden Valley Ranch and that chicken and that bacon. Yeah! So ready to try this. It's back of the crust there. See what the bottom looks like. There's some of the ranch packet there, it looks like. Some of the seasoning. Yeah. Let's get trying it. That's real good. I can taste the Hidden Valley Ranch in it for sure. It's kind of a skeptic thinking in my mind. Will it taste like Hidden Valley Ranch real good, or... Well, I can taste it. It's like instead of the tomato sauce, it's actually got the Hidden Valley Ranch as a sauce in there. That's kind of clever. So you don't have to get a dipping sauce. And with the mozzarella cheese and the bacon and the chicken, this goes real good with it, and some bread. I'm glad I picked this one. I just saw Hidden Valley Ranch on it. I was like, I figured it was going to be good. I don't know if the other ones the stores were selling, if they used tomato sauce or they actually used, like the dressing for the actual, sauce. It's definitely a stuffed crust, but it's still kind of like it's more like a flat kind of cheese in there. It's not like a super giant ring, but it's good. I can taste all the cheese in there and everything. It did kind of puff up on the ends while it was cooking though. Kind of show that cheese was in there. This is definitely something out of the ordinary though. Having ranch dressing for a pizza sauce. I'd definitely give it a thumbs up though. Definitely unique and definitely very tasty. So once again, DiGiorno thought outside the box, kind of like how they had that croissant pizza before. They definitely thought outside the box, so it came up with a good creation and collaborated with Hidden Valley Ranch, which to me, like I said, that's the gold standard of ranch dressing. That goes good with all your appetizers and snacks and pizzas, of course, and salads. So, matter of fact, you probably just throw some lettuce on this, and you'd have like a salad pizza to like to go with it too. So, plus you could add some other toppings to it. That'd make it even better, in my opinion. So yeah. I hope you try this pizza though, for reals, because it's really good. So if you see it in your store, you might want to try it out, because it's really good. As always though, shake and bake and get you some pizza, because you know you want some pizza. Everybody loves pizza. See you on the next one. Bye. Have an excellent party.